Okay, I'm gonna do a quick review on Zarbee's Naturals Children Cough Syrup plus mucus with dark honey, dietary supplement. This is for 1 year old and older. Okay, we used this with the kids this past winter. All of us are fighting with colds. Fighting with colds, flus, and all that usual mess in the winter time most people deal with. And I mean, it helped. It helped with the kids with their coughing and sinus problems when we were giving it to them. Ages 12 and up, you're supposed to give them 12 months and up. Babies under a year old, it's not recommended. Children 12 to a year old to 6 years old to 4 years old, 1 teaspoon. And kids 4 and up, that's 2 teaspoons. That's a pretty good little product if you got little ones, kids in the house at winter time when everybody's fighting with cold and flu and all that mess. That's a pretty good little product to give your kids. This is Zarbee's Naturals Children's Cough Syrup plus mucus with dark honey. And it's got natural grape flavor. Kids usually object taking it. They'll taste real nasty. They won't object to taking it because it tastes good. That's what I meant to say.